All right, so my name is Crystal, and I work here at the Las Vegas Natural History Museum. And today we've got one of my favorites. So he is a ball python. Ball pythons are named such because their first line of defense is curling into a ball in case they feel threatened. And it's the coolest thing in the world because they curl into a ball and their head is at the center of the ball, so nothing can stop them. And you could literally roll them across the room and they would not come out of that ball. So these guys are usually found in sub-Saharan Africa. And they are also known as royal pythons because African rulers would often wear them as live jewelry around your neck. It was rumored that Cleopatra herself did this. So if you have got a high-stress job, just have a snake and wrap around your neck because it'll give you a free massage. So these guys are constrictors. So they're not poisonous at all. They ambush their prey and they squeeze them. So these are some of the smallest pythons in the python family and the most commonly domesticated as well. They can live on average about 20 to 30 years. And the oldest one on record was 47 years old. So interesting fact about ball pythons, male versus female. The males, on average, reach around 3 to 4 feet in length, which is about the size of Albie here, and females can get up to 5 feet in length.